What's up everybody, Cino here and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your iPhone home button if your home button is currently slow. Let's get to it. So right now you can see this home button is a little delayed. It takes a second to get to the app switcher. So if I triple click, that comes up. So I've had this problem and I learned how to fix it. So the way to fix it is you go into settings, you scroll down to accessibility, and then you go all the way down to accessibility shortcuts, and you want to turn all of these off so that you don't have the option to triple click. So now it's a lot faster to get into it. So there's a pretty substantial difference between these two speeds of home buttons, so I'm going to show you. 0.9 seconds. It's not too bad, but it's still pretty slow. You can see there's a pretty big delay, especially going into apps out, pretty slow. But then when I do the fast way, you'll see it's pretty fast. 0.5 seconds. I know it doesn't seem like a lot of time, but it's actually a lot faster. It's like way more responsive. So that is how you switch your home button speeds. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. When I first saw this on YouTube, it really helped me, so I just wanted to show you guys. And thanks for watching, and see you later.